everyone, and welcome to another video. As you can see, I'm not in my usual place, the bathroom. But that's okay, because my room is a lot lighter, because as you can see, there's no lamp here. And if you look up, don't blind yourselves. It is the beauty of beautiness. I got, well, I got a lamp, which is amazing. It's a fan too. So the best thing ever. And also that means easier catch-up videos. So as you can see, their house is all messed up and ow and stuff. So I'm an idiot. Well, I was at my daycare because I have to go to daycare after school. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. I tried doing a flip, and guess what happened? I landed on my tailbone, and it hurt really bad because I'm an idiot, and I wasn't careful. Ow! So now it hurts every time I walk. If you just heard that, somebody just texted me, but I can't really do anything about that right now, Mom, because I'm kind of in the middle of something. Alright, so, yeah, this is the bedroom. It's kind of messy. This is the, living room, kitchen area, stuff like that. Bathroom area, which, yeah, it's easy to fix, because there's a freaking Ohio lottery cards up in this place. And it's really hard to do stuff at the same time when you're in. So that's why I need a tripod. I hope you guys can see me, but yeah, I'm trying to make it so you can see me because this hurts so bad. I don't even know what I did. I just hit my booty. My booty. I was thinking about doing another sing, but I don't want to sing because I listen to a lot of Avril Lavigne, but unfortunately, Avril is kind of I love Avril Lavigne. So new radio plays at the top of our lungs, and the boombox plays as we fall. Love, okay, I'm shut up now. Alright, so yeah, Easter. But I think I'm gonna go back. I think that's gonna be it. I just wanted to make the announcement of new lamp here and fan, of course. So yeah, and also my dad is my new review. So I hope everything's been great for you guys. And this is Artsy Gamer saying goodbye, my gamers.